firewood inlet through the combustion. I was concerned that the heat of the flame might be sucked downward when the firewood was burned. However, the first time I smoked there was a little smoke, but after the heat rose, I sucked in well. The characteristics of the firewood stove, which is made in this way, is a firewood stove with various functions, although with the combustion boxes built up. The firewood was installed inside the combustion chamber without making a firewood inlet outside to turn the heat once as the firewood burned down. This heat is the first heat retardation plate. Try to open. The third hot air projection is the fourth hot air projection that descends from the top of the first hot air delay plate of the burned firewood to the top of the second space made of the hot air delay plate. The rising heat is a firewood boiler made of a structure that climbs down a 125 mm stainless steel tube and exits through the flue on the side with a fifth heat projection. And the last sixth heat rises. I lit a firewood boiler and looked at the condition and performance of the stove. The heat is accumulated on the top of the combustion cylinder. So hot heat can be utilized on the stove, and a firewood inlet is installed on the top of the combustion cylinder to facilitate the input of firewood. You can control the burning speed of the firewood by adjusting the primary air inlet to the burning firewood, and the speed of the heat that goes out through the communication is low. So the heat of the firewood heats the entire stove. In the future, the function to be applied to a firewood stove is to wind the copper pipe around the stove to use as a firewood boiler. Let's circulate hot water and use it as hot water or as a heating boiler.